Hi, hello, welcome dear Skoolknit viewers. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I hope you're all doing well and having a great month of Ramadan, alhamdulillah. So what are we gonna see today? It's momos again from the Momos series, but the filling is gonna be chicken kofta. Alright, we tend to make patties every day, right? Like the deep fried ones, almost every day because it's very easy for us to prepare the batter and fry them up. But momos is not rocket science. So this recipe you can try like 2 or 3 times a week and it's quite easy. And if you add only wheat flour, it's going to be super healthy as well. But in this recipe, I've added maida and wheat flour. I will be telling you in a bit. So what do we need for this? Let's get started. As I'm going to make this for 3 people, I have taken 1 tablespoon of roasted gram dal. I've sliced 2 pieces of coconut and I'm going to add to this. And I've taken 4 cashews. So when you blend this mixture, it's going to get crumbly in nature because it has cashews and cashews leave oil. So did you see there's a crumbly mixture? Now this is 1 cup of chicken, minced chicken. To this I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. I have ginger paste and garlic paste. Together it's going to be like 1 teaspoon in quantity. So try to add less ginger garlic paste because it's going to give that raw smell out. So if it's 1 cup of chicken, add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Adjust the salt as per your taste. I've taken 1 teaspoon of salt. Now this is 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1.5 teaspoon of paprika or red chili powder. Now this goes the cumin powder, 1 teaspoon, and this is 1 teaspoon of black pepper. You can use white pepper as well. This is 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 1.5 teaspoon of coriander powder and 1.5 teaspoon of biryani masala. Now to this mixture, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of coriander leaves, chopped ones, and 1 tablespoon of mint leaves and 3/4 green chili. It's as per your taste. You want to add more or less, you can adjust. So I'm going to give it a nice mix. Even though I'm going to put it in a mixer, I'm going to mix this. I don't know why I was mixing. Maybe because I'm too used to marinating things. So I was mixing this and I'm gonna put this mixture into the mixer and gonna take this crumbly mixture as well and grind it into a nice smooth paste. To check the salt, what I did is after I took a little bit of it and I had put it in hot oil, I fried it and checked the salt. It was perfect. So for me it was perfect. So you can adjust the salt this way. So I added a little bit of oil and I was kneading this mixture just so that it doesn't stick to my hands when I give them a round shape. So for kofta, as you know, we have to make round shape out of this mixture. As you can see, I'm taking small portions of this mixture and giving it a round shape. So a round shape is called a kofta. Also what I did is I stuffed cheese cubes to a couple of koftas. Maybe you can also try this, or you can, if you don't like cheese, you can add paneer to it. It'll become chicken paneer kofta. So I'm just suggesting. Do let me know if you like the suggestion. Do comment. Also do let us know if you like our Urdu and Tamil videos, or do you think English would be better. I know we have a lot of variety, so do let us know what you like more in our channel so that we can make a lot of videos on that. So now I have taken a little bit of water, say half cup of water in a small frying pan, and I'm going to put these koftas and boil them. So generally what we do is we boil these koftas and then after they cool down we fry them, right? So that we do for the starters, right? When koftas are for starters, that we do. Now for this I'm just going to boil and leave the koftas to rest for some time. For the dough, as you know, I've taken 1.5 cup of maida, half cup of wheat flour, a little bit of vinegar, 1 small teaspoon of vinegar, and 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and water. Knead the dough well. Work on it after applying some olive oil. I used olive oil. You can use any cooking oil you want. Work on it at least for 20 minutes and rest the dough for 20 minutes. Here comes the rolling part. Roll it into a round shape. Roll the dough into a round shape. Keep the kofta inside and fold 2 sides of it and just seal the sides. So this becomes like a semicircle one, and I don't know what to call this shape. So what I did is I took the sides, the corners of these, and just folded them and made it like a pocket. All the shapes that I tried with momos, this became my favorite because I see that it could hold a lot of stuffing to it, and it was really cute. So now to a Tupperware, steam it, or an idli cooker, you can place some cabbage leaves, then place the momos inside them, add some water before that to the pan, and then steam it for 25 to 30 minutes on high flame. Then check with a toothpick if there is dough sticking to the toothpick. If not, it's done. If it is sticking, then leave it on medium flame for about 5 to 10 minutes. And then your momos are done. You can serve them hot with momos chutney or a simple dip that I will be sharing very soon. Alright, until I see you next, take good care of yourself. And don't forget to subscribe to Skoolknit channel. If you like this video, please do like and comment and let me know. Take care. Bye bye.